Uptown Swing.
Level 1. Maddie.
Peter. So we did some more stuff. Main thing we did today was what? Just a circle. Oh, we did promenades.
Promenades.
Promenades was our big starting thing. So we did rock, step, triple step, walk, walk, triple step, rock, step, triple step, walk, walk, triple step. That's promenades. Leaders, just remember to get your partner in front soon enough. Followers, hang out, wait for it. Then we did reverse promenades. Rock, step, triple step, walk, walk, triple step, rock, step, triple step, walk, walk, triple step. Followers, really hang out for the beginning. We talked about that a lot.
Yeah, we don't want to race our leaders. We don't want to run into them.
And even when you feel something after you've waited, still waiting.
Yeah, stick to that hand, followers.
That comes in really handy for the last thing we did, which was the circle. So we did this here. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, turn. Let's try that again for Maddie. Triple step, turn, turn, triple step. So that's a circle. The main thing you gotta try, y'all, is just do this a whole bunch. Bop, 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 bop. Just footwork in place. If you can do it in place, you can walk around with it. Get a hold of it. Remember, this gets easier, everything gets easier. We did really good connection stuff. You're doing better and better. We do more next week.